his teeth. Get his claw. I can't reach. Good job.
Oh, poor Elvis.
Oh, crap. Look at him. Claw is bigger than his whole body.
Uh-oh, Jack.
You sniffing, boy.
That's a big crack. Isn't that like the biggest one we got?
No, there's another one that's in there that's bigger.
Yes, the Elvis wants to go to Bay now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's been a lot.
Jack's like, I don't know what that thing is. That's probably the first time I ever saw one. Need a pinch?
Yeah. Yeah, they're all boys. Which is weird, because if you go to the Bay, well, it's all girls.
Chicken, he ran.
Look at that thing. He's trying to, like, pinch. Man. They're slippery, aren't they?
Oh, he's hanging on. He's hanging on.
I'm not going to be boiled.
Get him, Jack. Get him, Jack.
Take a picture, Mom. Oh, you're filming it?
Chicken.
Yeah, Dad, we put minnows in there and they all suffocated because they're so big.
Yeah.
We're going to need those